In this video, I'll show you how to reduce the resolution of video output in Camtasia. Reducing the resolution is a great way to manage file size and ensure your videos are compatible across different devices. By default, Camtasia exports videos using the current project dimensions. For example, it might export your video in full HD quality. To lower the video resolution during export, you'll need to manually adjust the dimensions. As demonstrated, in this instance, the video is exported in HD. You can then compare the output file sizes to see the difference.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.